Nissan Rogue here, definitely in need of a headlight restoration. These lights are pretty bad. You could see them left and right. They look the same. Sunburned tops, cloudy faces, hazy faces. Even the sides are all sunburned too. These lights are in terrible shape. Both sides, both the driver side and the passenger side. Wait till you see the transformation. You're looking for top quality headlight restoration in South Florida. BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com 754-302-0769. Wait till you see this light. Just wait. Look at this. Like new. Like new. Nissan Rogue, like new. We're 100% mobile. We come to you. We go to Broward County. We go to Palm Beach County. We go to Miami-Dade. Just text us. You can text us a photo of your lights if you want. 754-302-0769. And we are mobile. Give us a call today. Thank you.